In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the link to your Loom recording. If you're looking to easily share your Loom videos with colleagues, clients, or friends, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through the process of copying your recording link as well as managing access and sharing permissions, ensuring that your content gets to the right people effectively and securely. First off, let's get you into your Loom library, the hub of all your recordings. You need to select the video that you'd like to share. Once you've chosen your desired video, it's time to find the Share button or the Copy Link option. These options are usually located above or below your video. When you click on either of these, the link to your recording is instantly copied to your clipboard. With this link ready to go, you're free to paste it wherever you wish. Whether it's in an email to a team member, a message to a client, or even in your project management tool, it's now at your fingertips. This method is the fastest and most straightforward way to share a Loom recording with anyone you choose. However, before rushing to share that link, it's crucial to consider who can access your video. Managing link access and privacy settings will give you greater control over who sees your content. One option allows your video to be accessible to anyone with the link. This is perfect for when you want to widely disseminate your recording without any barriers. Alternatively, you might prefer to restrict access so that only people whose email addresses you've added can view it. Remember, these receivers must be logged into Loom using that specific email. For team collaboration, sharing clips within spaces and workspaces is particularly useful. This way, the video is available to specific groups or to your entire workspace, ensuring that everyone you wish to inform is in the loop. To finesse these privacy settings, look for the More Options or Link Settings button, often represented by 3 tiny dots in the Share modal. Clicking on this will unveil numerous options for customization. You can modify the privacy of your video, allowing you to add password protection if you're subscribed to a paid plan. This feature adds an additional layer of security. Furthermore, you can decide whether to allow comments on your video and enable downloads. These settings truly empower you to keep control over your content, tailoring the sharing experience to suit your needs. By understanding these steps and utilizing these features, you'll become adept at sharing your Loom recordings while maintaining the privacy and accessibility you desire. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you share your videos with confidence and ease.